The earth beneath our feet is never truly still, but recent events on Canada's western coast have served as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant beneath the surface. The ground, which we often take for granted as solid and unyielding, has shown its true nature, revealing the dynamic and ever-changing forces at play beneath us. In recent months, a surge in seismic activity has rattled communities along the coast, raising concerns about the potential for a major earthquake. This increase in tremors has not only disrupted daily life, but has also prompted a renewed focus on the importance of earthquake preparedness and the need for robust emergency response plans. From Vancouver Island to Haida Gwaii, the ground has trembled with unusual frequency, a phenomenon that has captivated scientists and ignited public concern in equal measure. The scientific community is working tirelessly to understand the underlying causes of this increased activity, analyzing data and seeking patterns that might offer clues about future seismic events. This surge in activity serves as a timely reminder that we live in a seismically active region, and preparedness is not merely an option, but a necessity. Emergency preparedness drills and the creation of emergency kits have become more critical than ever, as residents are urged to take proactive steps to ensure their safety. The recent uptick in seismic events has been impossible to ignore. News reports and social media have been flooded with accounts of tremors, each one a stark reminder of the volatile nature of our planet. Residents have reported feeling tremors, some strong enough to shake buildings and rattle nerves. These experiences have left many feeling uneasy, as the unpredictability of earthquakes adds to the sense of vulnerability. While most of these tremors have been relatively minor, their frequency and intensity have sparked anxiety and fueled speculation about what the future holds. Conversations about earthquake preparedness and the potential for a larger, more destructive event have become commonplace. Is this merely a blip in the Earth's natural rhythm, or is it a harbinger of something more significant to come? The uncertainty surrounding these events has led to a heightened sense of awareness and a collective effort to better understand the seismic activity in the region. As scientists delve into the data and analyze the patterns of these recent events, one thing is clear: the Canadian West Coast is a region on edge, perched precariously on the Pacific Ring of Fire. This area, known for its intense seismic and volcanic activity, is a focal point for researchers seeking to predict and mitigate the impacts of future earthquakes. This infamous zone, known for its intense seismic and volcanic activity, serves as a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape our planet. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a testament to the dynamic nature of Earth's crust, where tectonic plates collide and create the conditions for earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The recent tremors, while unsettling, offer a valuable opportunity to reevaluate our understanding of the risks we face and to reinforce the importance of preparedness. By studying these events, scientists hope to improve early warning systems and develop strategies to protect communities from the potentially devastating effects of future seismic activity. Off the rugged and picturesque coastline of Vancouver Island, a symphony of tremors has been playing out beneath the waves, creating a hidden yet powerful natural orchestra. This series of earthquakes, known as an earthquake swarm, has become a focal point for scientists studying the region's seismic activity. These experts are meticulously analyzing data, hoping to uncover patterns and predict future events. While individual earthquakes within the swarm have been relatively small, their sheer number and proximity to populated areas have raised eyebrows and prompted questions about their significance. The community remains on alert, wondering what these tremors might foretell. The epicenter of this earthquake swarm lies off the western coast of Vancouver Island, a region known for its breathtaking beauty and susceptibility to seismic events. The island's serene landscapes hide a dynamic and often volatile geological undercurrent. The swarm, which began several months ago, has been characterized by a series of small to moderate earthquakes, most of which have registered below a magnitude of 4 on the Richter scale. Despite their modest size, the frequency of these quakes is what has captured the attention of seismologists. While these tremors have been largely imperceptible to those on land, they have been picked up by sensitive seismographs, painting a vivid picture of the restless earth beneath the sea. These instruments reveal the hidden dance of tectonic plates, a dance that is both ancient and ongoing. The significance of this earthquake swarm lies not necessarily in the magnitude of individual earthquakes, but in their frequency and location. The pattern of these quakes provides crucial clues about the underlying geological processes. The swarm suggests that stress is building up along a particular fault line or system of faults near Vancouver Island. This buildup is a natural part of the Earth's dynamic system, but it also poses potential risks. This buildup of stress could eventually be released in the form of a larger, more powerful earthquake. Such an event could have significant implications for the region, affecting both natural landscapes and human communities. While scientists cannot predict precisely when or where such an earthquake might occur, the swarm serves as a timely reminder that the potential for a significant seismic event in the region is very real. Preparedness and awareness are key in mitigating the impact of such natural events. To understand the seismic forces at play off the coast of British Columbia, one must delve into the depths of the Earth, where the very foundation of our planet is in constant motion. Here, colossal tectonic plates collide and grind against one another, generating unimaginable pressure and unleashing tremendous energy in the form of earthquakes. This relentless movement is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. This is the realm of the Cascadia Subduction Zone, a tectonic time bomb that stretches along the Pacific Northwest coast, from Northern California to Vancouver Island. This zone is a critical juncture in the Earth's crust, where the forces of nature are constantly at work. The Cascadia Subduction Zone marks the point where the Juan de Fuca Plate, a massive slab of the Earth's crust, is slowly but inexorably sliding beneath the North American plate. This slow-motion collision is a process that has been ongoing for millions of years. This process, known as subduction, is the driving force behind the region's seismic and volcanic activity. As the Juan de Fuca Plate descends, it melts and forms magma, which can lead to volcanic eruptions. As the Juan de Fuca Plate descends beneath the North American plate, it locks and grinds, building up immense pressure over time. This pressure is like a ticking time bomb waiting to be released. Centuries can pass with little outward sign of this subterranean drama, but the pressure relentlessly builds until it eventually exceeds the strength of the rocks, resulting in a sudden, catastrophic release of energy and earthquake. These earthquakes can be devastating, causing widespread destruction. The Cascadia Subduction Zone has a long and violent history, punctuated by massive earthquakes that have reshaped the landscape and left an indelible mark on the region's geology. These events have been recorded in the geological record, providing a window into the past. Scientists estimate that the zone is capable of generating earthquakes of magnitude 9 or greater. Earthquakes so powerful that they can trigger tsunamis capable of devastating coastal communities. These tsunamis can travel across the ocean, impacting distant shores. The last such megaquake occurred in 1700, long before European settlers arrived on the scene. This event was so powerful that it was recorded in the oral histories of indigenous peoples and in the geological record. Understanding this history is crucial for preparing for future events. The recent seismic activity off the coast of British Columbia serves as a stark reminder of the importance of earthquake preparedness. While we cannot prevent earthquakes, we can take steps to mitigate their impact and enhance our resilience in the face of such natural disasters. Earthquake preparedness is not merely about surviving the initial shaking, it's about ensuring that we have the resources, knowledge, and support systems in place to recover and rebuild in the aftermath. The first step in earthquake preparedness is understanding the risks specific to your location. Consult with local authorities and emergency management agencies to determine the seismic hazard level in your area and familiarize yourself with evacuation routes and emergency procedures. Once you have a clear understanding of the risks, you can begin to develop a comprehensive plan that addresses your specific needs and circumstances. Assembling an earthquake preparedness kit is crucial. This kit should contain enough food, water, and essential supplies to sustain you and your family for at least 72 hours, if not longer. Include items such as a first aid kit, flashlight, radio, batteries, whistle, dust mask, and a wrench or pliers to shut off utilities if necessary. Store this kit in an easily accessible location, and review its contents regularly to ensure that everything is in working order and that you have an adequate supply of essential items.